In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best drawing tablets in 2024. I've included options for every type of person, so whether you're looking for a drawing tablet that has the best performance or a tablet that has the most customizability for your drawing sessions or anything in between, I'll have the best drawing for you. Also, this video isn't sponsored, and if you want more information or the best, most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. The Wacom Intuos Pro stands out as a premier drawing tablet with fantastic precision, customizable express keys, and a slim design that seamlessly blends professional-grade performance with an intuitive user experience. It's my top pick for the best drawing tablet out on the market for professional artists. The Intuos Pro boasts an exceptional level of accuracy and sensitivity with its Pro Pen 2 technology. We'll be seeing the Pro Pen 2 technology later in this video with some more drawing tablets as well. The Pro Pen 2 has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition. It's like your traditional pen evolved into a magic wand, allowing you to capture every bit of your artistic expression. The customizable 8 express keys, touch ring, and pen side switches add a layer of efficiency that professionals crave. Tailor your shortcuts, zoom in and out effortlessly, and navigate your canvas with the precision of a seasoned artist. The intuitive design of the tablet mirrors the organic flow of traditional drawing, seamlessly integrating into your artistic process. The large active area of the Intuos Pro provides ample space for intricate strokes and expansive creativity. Whether you're working on detailed illustrations or sweeping landscapes, the tablet accommodates the full breadth of your imagination. One standout feature is the Bluetooth connectivity, offering a wireless experience that liberates your workspace. No more tangling with cords. The Intuos Pro gives you the freedom to create from any angle. Compatibility is key, and the Intuos Pro shines in this department. It's compatible with major design software like Adobe Creative Cloud, making it an indispensable tool for graphic designers, illustrators, and digital artists across the board. Durability meets elegance in the sleek design of the tablet. The anodized aluminum back provides a premium feel, while the compact form ensures that the Intuos Pro seamlessly fits into your professional workstation. The Wacom Intuos Pro has fantastic precision, customizable features, wireless convenience, and seamless compatibility. With all of its features, I think the Intuos Pro stands out as a great choice for artists and creatives seeking a top-tier drawing tablet experience. And for those looking to jump into the digital art world, the Intuos Pro has a vast amount of adaptability that allows the user to start their creative journey with ease. The Wacom Cintiq 22 stands out as a high-quality drawing tablet, offering an expansive 22-inch display with vivid colors, industry-leading pen technology for precise input, and an immersive drawing experience that caters to the demands of every type of artist. Whether you're starting out your creative journey or are already a professional, I think the Wacom Cintiq 22 will be a great choice for you. The Cintiq 22 boasts a generous 22-inch HD screen with vibrant colors and sharp details that make your creations pop. It's truly like a canvas that can transport you into the heart of your artwork, allowing you to see every stroke in vivid detail. Like the Intuos Pro, the Pro Pen 2 is back with the Cintiq 22, 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and virtually lag-free tracking. The natural feel of drawing directly on the screen elevates your creative process to new heights. The adjustable stand is a great addition for any artist, providing multiple user-friendly angles to suit your preferred drawing position. Whether you're creating intricate details or broad strokes, the Cintiq 22 adapts to your artistic flow. Express keys and the rocker ring add a layer of efficiency to your workflow. Customize shortcuts, zoom in and out, and navigate your canvas with ease. The intuitive design allows you to focus on your creativity without interruption. Connectivity is seamless with HDMI and USB options, ensuring a hassle-free setup for your professional studio. The Cintiq 22 is compatible with major design softwares, making it an indispensable tool for graphic designers, illustrators, and digital artists. For those who are pursuing a professional career to those who are doing it as a hobby, the Cintiq 22 stands tall with its immersive display, precise Pro Pen 2 technology, user-friendly design, adaptable kickstand, and seamless compatibility. It's truly an artistic companion that propels your creations to the next level. For all levels of artists out there, I think the Cintiq 22 stands out as a great choice to propel your digital artwork. The Simbans PicassoTab X shines as a drawing tablet with its impressive display, responsive stylus, and versatile compatibility, offering an affordable yet powerful tool that empowers artists of all levels to unleash their creativity. For those looking to get started on their digital art or those just looking for a more affordable drawing tablet that doesn't sacrifice quality, I think the PicassoTab X might be for you. The PicassoTab X boasts a generous 10-inch display with full HD resolution, providing vibrant colors and crisp details. Whether you're a seasoned digital artist or just getting started, this tablet's responsiveness and accuracy give you that natural feel of pen on paper. The pen itself is a gem. This easy-to-use design ensures a comfortable grip, perfect for those marathon drawing sessions. The PicassoTab X even comes with a few extra items that really help get a new artist started, with a drawing glove and adapters really helping make this feel like a starting kit for those wanting to get into digital art, or for those professionals making the change to digital art. One of the standout features is the flexible compatibility. The PicassoTab X isn't picky. It works seamlessly with popular art software, making it a fantastic companion for both PC and Android devices. Whether you're sketching, painting, or illustrating, this tablet has your back. Battery life is another win. With up to 8 hours of continuous use, you can take this tablet on the go without constantly worrying about finding an outlet. It's a true workhorse, ready to bring your creative visions to life whenever inspiration strikes. The Simbans PicassoTab X is a powerful, high-quality drawing tablet for the affordable price it has in the market. It's an ideal drawing tablet for artists and creators seeking that affordable yet feature-rich tool to bring their artistic visions to life. Whether you're starting out as an artist or a professional moving to digital art, this might be the best drawing tablet for you. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 stands out as an extraordinary drawing tablet, featuring a spacious 24-inch 4K display, bringing back that advanced Pro Pen 2 technology for precision and an expansive color range. It offers professional artists and budding new artists an immersive and top-tier digital drawing experience. That's why it's my choice for the best overall drawing tablet. And no, this video isn't sponsored by Wacom. It's just that Wacom dominates the space in drawing tablets and is the leading brand for it. They always know how to stay on top. The Cintiq Pro 24 features a stunning 4K UHD display, 24 inches of pure artistic real estate that captures every nuance of your creativity. With over 1 billion vibrant colors and impeccable clarity, it's like stepping into a world where your imagination takes center stage. And with a screen that size, it truly feels like it's a blank canvas. The Wacom technology is back again with the Pen Pro 2. That tilt recognition with the vast pressure sensitivity and virtually no lag, the Cintiq Pro 24 utilizes the Pen Pro 2's technology just as the other Wacom drawing tablets in this video have done. The edge-to-edge glass screen provides an immersive drawing experience, making you feel intimately connected to your work. The etched glass surface mimics the feel of traditional paper, creating a seamless transition for artists who appreciate the tactile sensation of drawing. Customization is at the forefront with the express keys and the on-screen controls. Tailor your shortcuts, adjust brush sizes, and navigate your canvas effortlessly. The ergonomically designed stand offers multiple angles, ensuring that your comfort is never compromised during those marathon art sessions. Connectivity is a breeze with USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort options. The Cintiq Pro 24 is compatible with major design software, seamlessly integrating into your existing creative workflow. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 has an expansive 4K display, that classic Wacom advanced pen technology, and exceptional color accuracy, providing a premium drawing experience that caters to the demands of professional artists and designers. The Cintiq Pro 24 truly stands out as a great choice for professionals, designers, and amateurs alike. With all its amazing features, it truly shines as the best overall drawing tablet in my opinion. The XPPen Artist 24 Pro excels as a drawing tablet, offering a spacious display with 2.5K resolution, superb color accuracy, and a user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for artists seeking a high-performance yet affordable tool to elevate their digital creations. With all of its features, the Artist 24 Pro stands out as my top pick for the best drawing tablet for most people. The XPPen Artist 24 Pro has a vibrant 2K QHD 23.8-inch screen that brings your creations to life with stunning clarity and color accuracy. The PA2 battery-free stylus feels natural, responsive, and precise. With up to 60 degrees of tilt functionality, the stylus feels as if it delivers a fantastic line performance, which truly helps narrow in those sketches and lines. Customization is key, and the Artist 24 Pro is great in this department. With 20 customizable express keys and a touch bar, you have the flexibility to tailor your shortcuts and streamline your workflow. With 2 easy-to-control red dial wheels, the user-friendly design of the tablet ensures that the user's comfort is never compromised during your creativity. The adjustable stand adds another layer of versatility, allowing you to find the perfect drawing angle that suits your artistic style. Whether you prefer a more upright stance for sketching or a flatter position for detailed work, the Artist 24 Pro adapts to your creative needs. Connectivity is seamless with USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort options. The Artist 24 Pro is compatible with major design software, ensuring that it effortlessly integrates into your existing creative toolkit. The XPPen Artist 24 Pro stands out for its impressive 2K display, exceptional color accuracy, and responsive PA2 stylus, making it a standout choice for artists looking to enhance their creative workflow with a feature-rich and affordable drawing tablet. All these features are what make the XPPen Artist 24 Pro my top pick for the best drawing tablet for most people.